Dave from DRD Allotments, and welcome to the place where I do the editing back home. Today I'm doing a video on spinning honey. Me and my son went to the bees at Scotswood and got the honey out, and it's just a short video, so I hope you enjoy it. And I'd like to thank Scotswood Community Garden for allowing me to do this short video. So please enjoy. And don't forget, subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will get back to you. So as I say, enjoy.
It's not going to come off, just use with uncapping fork.
So Rob's uncapping the honey. That's beeswax coming off.
This is going to be a YouTube vid, is it? Yeah.
What he can't get with a knife, he'll use that to break open it.
I don't want to be the video on YouTube.
Yeah. So I'm keeping it low. He's now gonna do the other side.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, done.
Okay. He's then gonna place it into this spinner. And they'll get 4 into this spinner.
Never go.
So that's in this spinner. There's another one going in. Right, Rob's now spinning the honey. It's a little bit blurry.
What are these used for?
They go back on the hive. Is that the clear side?
That's the honey cleared that side, then you turn it over and you put it in the other way, and the centrifugal force will clear all that
Just for
out.
cans.
Yeah, after the bees have cleaned it over,
This-
you just left with wax.
Right.
The wax will go back to the bees,
Melt the wax.
Yeah.
And then you can
and the
use it
bees
for all
will
sorts.
reuse it. So everything sort of gets reused by the
Yeah, we've
bees.
seen there, John, and it's got plenty enough.
Look at that delicious honey. It'll go through there and it'll be left to filter through down into the bottom bucket.
Well done.